Hello friends, welcome to this YouTube channel. Myself Nandakumar. In my previous video, I discussed 50 questions on KSET English paper 2. If you haven't seen my first video, no problem. There is a link in the comment box. You can watch. Now I will continue the discussion. Let us begin with question number 51. Rebecca Walker's Before Hip Hop Was Hip Hop is option A satirical essay, option B paradoxical essay, option C reflective essay, option D conversational essay. Rebecca Walker is an American feminist writer who was the daughter of Alliance Walker. She is known for her reflective essay, Before Hip Hop Was Hip Hop. So the right answer is option C is the right answer. Question number 52. Sydney's apology for poetry is, among other things, a reaction to. First one, Plato's critique of poetry. Second one, Stephen Garson's comment on drama and poetry. Third one, contemporary disparagement of poetry. Fourth one, debate in German. Apology for poetry is also called The Defense of Poesy, is a work of literary criticism by the famous Elizabethan poet Philip Sidney. Here the right answer is option B is the right answer. First one, second one and third one are correct. Question number 53. Dryden comments that affecting the metaphysics in love poems by the metaphysical poets is option A not natural, option B not epic, option C not acceptable, option D witty but strange. Here the right answer is option A is the right answer. Question number 54. What does Matthew Arnold means by the term disinterestedness? Option A, intellectual analysis. Option B, the critic ability to look at the text objectively. Option C, marginalizing the affect elements of literature. Option D, ignoring the spirit of times. Disinterestedness is a technical term coined by Matthew Arnold. He further says that when we evaluating a work, the aim is to see the object as it in itself. So the right answer is option B is the right answer. The critic's ability to look at the text objectively. Question number 55. Which play by Shakespeare has contributed an important analytic term in post-colonial theory? Option A, Measure for Measure. Option B, Hamlet. Option C, Coriolanus. Option D, The Tempest. You know what is post-colonial theory? I think post-colonial theory is a critical academic study of cultural legacy of colonialism and imperialism, focuses on the human consequences of control and exploitation of colonized people at their lands. So the right answer is Shakespeare's famous work The Tempest. Question number 56. Which of the following is the acceptable tenet of new criticism? Tenet means feature, traits. Option A, the literary text has a distinctive anthological status. Option B, the intention of the author is relevant to analyze the text. Option C, the content of the text is important. Option D, the response of the readers is a part of the text interpretation. New criticism, it is a critical movement that propagates the idea of art for art's sake. It is focuses on the close reading of the text rather than in its content. So the right answer is option A is the right answer. The literary text has a distinctive anthological status. Question number 57. Match the following. Option A, Science and Poetry is a work written by I.A. Richardson. Option B, The Hersey of Paraphrase is written by Kenneth Brooke. Option C, What Was Literature is written by Lillis Fielders. Option D, Anna Karenina and Other Essays were written by F.R. Lewis. So here the right answer is option C is the right answer. Question number 58. In which work does Immanuel Kant defend the autonomy of literature? Option A, Critique of Judgment. Option B, Critique of Pure Reason. Option C, Critique of Practical Reason. Option D, Aesthetics. Immanuel Kant is a German philosopher and Enlightenment thinker who influenced Romantic poets in English literature. So here the right answer is option A is the right answer, Critique of Judgment. Question number 59. Which work deals elaborately with telling and showing in fiction? Option A, Why the novel matters. Option B, Aspects of novel. Option C, The rhetoric of fiction. Option D, The historical novel. The right answer is option C is the right answer. The rhetoric of fiction. It is a work by Wayne C. Booth. Question number 60. Art then is the becoming and happening of truth. The name of the philosopher who gave this definition. Option A, Henry Bergson. Option B, Martin Heidegger. Option C, Edmund Husserl. Option D, Immanuel Kant. The right answer is option B is the right answer, Martin Heidegger. Martin Heidegger, he was an German philosopher and seminal thinker and also existential philosopher. So the right answer is B, Martin Heidegger. Question number 61. Which critic is known for his work on the Western canon? Option A, Catherine. Option B, Harold Bloom. Option C, Frank Kermode. Option D, Edward Said. The right answer is option B is the right answer, Harold Bloom. He was an American literary critic and professor of humanities at Yale University. So the right answer is B. Question number 62. In serious critical intellectual work, there is no absolute beginnings and few unbroken continues. Who made this statement? Option A, Antonio Gramsci. Option B, Sartre Hall. Option C, Raymond Williams. Option D, Michel Foucault. So the right answer is option B is the right answer, Sartre Hall. He was an central theorist and political thinker. Question number 63. Who distinguishes between theory as the body of knowledge and theory as practice? Option B, Gross. Option B, Thierry Eggleton. Option C, Zizek. Option D, Paul D. Mann. The right answer is option A is the right answer. Henry Arnold Greggs, he was an Canadian scholar, one of the founding theorists of critical pedagogy in USA. So the right answer is option A is the right answer. 64. Name the critic who explains social definition of culture as a description of particular way of life. Option A, Louis Althusser. Option B, Raymond Williams. Option C, Clifford Geertz. Option D. Claude Lévi-Strauss. Here the right answer is the famous Marxist critic Raymond Williams. Question number 65. Name the philosopher who attempted to pose the structuralism with Marxism. Option A. Roland Barthes. Option B. Antonio Gramsci. Option C. Louis Althusser. Option D. Terry Eagleton. The right answer is Louis Althusser. He was also a Marxist theorist. Question number 66. The cultural studies perspective on culture differs from the Arnoldian Levisti's perspective on the following ground. First one, it does not hierarchize popular and serious culture. Second one, it is not elitist. Third one, visualize culture as a part of power structure. Fourth one, considers culture merely as an intellectual pursuit. The right answer is option B is the right answer. First one, second one and third one are correct. Question number 66. How does Ashish Nandi and Vinay Lal interpret the film Lagdan? First one, as catering to Indian madness. Second one, the cricket team is symbolic of the nation. Third one, colonialism gets mixed up with emotional nationalism. Fourth one, it is historical authentic. Here the right answer is A is the right answer. First one, second one and third one are correct. Question number 68. According to Pierre Bourdieu, cultural capital is option A. Cultural knowledge and competency which empowers an individual. Second, option B. The great artifact of particular culture. Third one, C. Cultural traditions of the society. So option D. The economy of culture. The right answer is option A is the right answer. The cultural knowledge and competency which empowers an individual. Question number 69. Who is the author of After Amnesia? Option A. Ajia Ahmed. Option B. Meenakshi Mukherjee. Option C. Harish Trivedi. Option D. G.N. Dev. The right answer is D. G.N. Dev. Question number 71. Which Indian critic has made a cultural analysis of the film Rosa? Option A. Vananda Shiva. Option B. Susi Tarju. Option C. Tejashwini Niranjan. Option D. C.T. Indra. The right answer is C is the right answer. Tejashwini Niranjan. Question number 71. The linguistic turn or the semantic turn refers to option A. The adventure of modern linguistics. Option B. Emphasizes on representation of reality rather than reality. Option C. Study of language use in society. Option D. Epistemological study of each word in a text. Here the right answer is option B is the right answer. Emphasizes on representation of reality rather than reality. Question number 72. Match the following. Option A. Hercule Poirot. Option B. Sherlock Holmes. Option C. Adam Dalgliesh. Option D. Philip Marlowe. Here the right answer is option B is the right answer. Question number 73. Which novel by Charles Dickens begins with these lines? Whether I shall turn out to be hero of my life, or whether that station will be held by anybody else. Option A, Oliver Twist. Option B, David Copperfield. Option C, Great Expectations. Option D, A Christmas Carol. The right answer is option B, the David Copperfield. Question number 74. Who is generally described as the most violent character in the Scarlet Letters? Option A, Roger Chillingworth. Option B, Arthur Demoslade. Option C, Governor Bellingham. Option D, Mistress Hibbins. Here the right answer is Roger Chillingworth. Question number 75. Which postmodernist novel has two ends? Option A, Shame. Option B, White Noise. Option C, American Pastoral. Option D, The French Laurentins Women. The right answer to this question is option D is the right answer. The French Laurentin Women. It is a novel by John Fowles. Question number 76. Father Time is a character in the novel. Option A, The Return of Native. Option B, Under the Greenwood Tree. Option C, Jude and Obscure. Option D, The Mayor Casterbridge. Here the right answer is Jude and Obscure, a novel by Thomas Hardy. Question number 77. Muriel Spark novel Memento Mori is about. Option A, a survivor of a disaster. Option B, old people. Option C, orphaned children. Option C, the working class women. Here the right answer is old people. Question number 78. Dorish Leving's The Grass is Singing is about. Option A, the nationalist struggling in South Africa. Option B, political exile. Option C, a pastoral Africa. Option D, a racist society. Here the right answer is option D, a racist society. It is a novel which is about a racist society. Question number 79. In which novel by Virginia Woolf does the protagonist gender change midway through the narrative? Option A, Waves. Option B, To the Lighthouse. Option C, Orlando. Option B, Jacob's Room. Here the right answer is option C, Orlando. Question number 80. The method of research that begins with a hypothesis or theory and then research for evidence either to support or refute that hypothesis or theory is termed as option A, deconstructive research. Option B, deductive research. Option C, inductive research. Option D, inclusive research. Here the right answer is option B, deductive research. Question number 81. Which of the following statement is or incorrect with regarding to literature review? First one, to collect relevant quotations on the problems at hand. Second one, to identify what the previous research has said on the research question. Third one, to identify the problems and potential pitfalls in the chosen area. Fourth one, to reject substandard literature as irrelevant to the task at hand. Here the right answer is first one and fourth one are incorrect. Question number 82. Which of the following is an example of academic research in humanities? Option A, Wings of Fire. Option B, My Experiment with Truth. Option C, Orientalism. Option D, Passage to India. The right answer is option C, Orientalism, is a work by Edward Said. He was an post-colonial theorist. Question number 83. Comparative research on two literary traditions aims at option A, only search for influence. Option B, evaluation to prove that one tradition is better. Option C, demonstrating the researcher's wide regarding. Option D, drawing new insights on the two traditions. Here the right answer is option D, drawing in new insights on the two traditions. Question number 84. Which is not an appropriate way to relate oneself with research? Option A, research as means of knowledge production. Option B, research as a means of problem solving. Option C, research as only a means of getting PhD degree. Option D, research as forwarding a hypothesis. Here the right answer is option C, research as only means of getting PhD degree. Question number 85. The skill that can be divided through audio lingua methods include: first one, mastering sound system and grammatical patterns. Second one, adhering to the natural order of listening, speaking, reading, writing skills. Third one, teaching pronunciation from the beginning. Fourth one, allowing students native language skills to interpret with the target language learning skills. Here the right answer is option D is the right answer. Question number 86. According to Noam Chomsky, one of the following is not a factor leading to language acquisition. Option A, rule formation. Option B, habit formation. Option C, individuals' cognitive efforts to discover the rules of language. Option D, individuals' efforts to create and understand utterance which they have learned. Here the right answer is a habit in formation. Question number 87. Only the learners can do learning. This observation, mostly applied, reflects one of the following method of language teaching. Option A, direct method. Option B, grammar translation method. Option C, silent method. Option D, audio lingua method. Here the right answer is the silent method. Question number 88. In silent method, the reader teachers does not facilitate one of the following. Option A, expression of the students' perceptions. Option B, forcing their awareness. Option C, providing exercises to ensure their felicity. Option D, total dependence on the teachers. Here the right answer is the total dependence on the teacher. Question number 89. One of the following is not the globe of the teachers who use Suggestopedia. First one, emphasizing vocabulary. Second one, emphasizing speaking and communication. Third one, emphasizing grammar. Fourth one, emphasizing para-conscious mind. Here the right answer is only third is correct. Emphasizing grammar. Question number 90. Which Indian play provide a powerful expression of disillusionment with post-Nehruvian era? Option A, Tughlaq. Option B, Dance Like a Man. Option C, One Day in the Season of Rain. Option D, Skaram Pinder. Here the right answer is Tughlaq by Girish Karnad. Question number 91. Who is the author of Spectra of Marx? Option A, Jacques Derrida. Option B, Louis Althusser. Option C, Michel Foucault. Option D, Raymond Wilson. Here the right answer is option A, Jacques Derrida, the French philosopher. Question number 92. The medium is the message is a phrase coined by option A, Raymond Wilson. Option B, Marshall Lucan. Option C, Stanley Kubrick. Option D, Sarath Hall. Here the right answer is Marshall McLuhan. Question number 93. Which of the following statement is or correct with regarding to popular culture? First one, popular culture refers to set of practice, beliefs and objects that prevalent in a society. Second one, popular culture influences an individual attitude towards certain topics. Third one, popular cultures uphold the noble and disfilled value of a given society. Fourth one, popular culture distinguishes between high culture and low culture. The right answer is option A. First and second one are correct. Question number 94. In the film studies, Christian's Mirza is associated with option A, Orthio theory. Option B, screen theory. Option C, gauge theory. Option D, genre theory. Here the right answer is screen theory. Question number 95. Riddles of the Sphinx refers to option A, a seminal work on film studies written by Jim Cates. Second, option B, the title of the film written and directed by Laura Mulvey and Peter Woolen. Option C, a travelogue on a plot in Parapmind written by A.R. Habib. Option D, the biography of Alfred Hitchcock. Here the right answer is option B, the title of the film written and directed by Laura Mulvey and Peter Woolen. Question number 96. A cultural group which is in larger culture, often having beliefs and interests at variance with those of larger culture, is termed as option A, subculture. Option B, metaculture. Option C, low culture. Option D, popular culture. Here the right answer is option C, low culture. Question number 97. Read the following poem and answer the 4 questions which are given below. Nothing gold can stay, nature first green is gold, her hardest hue to hold. Her early lips are flowers, but only so on our. The leaf subside to leaf, so Adam sank to grief, so down goes down to nothing gold can stay. Question number 97. Nature's first green is gold means that option A, every green thing is option A, every green thing in nature is precious. Option B, all things are beautiful in their early stage. Option C, what nature created first precious. Option D, gold is described as the first gold thing nature created. Here the right answer is option B, all things are beautiful in their early stage. Question number 98. What does early leaves means? Option A, in evaluation of the leaf was flower. Option B, in the springing season the early leaves is a flower. Option C, in the early stage, the leaves looks like a flower. Option D, in some trees or earliest grown is a flower. Here the right answer is option C. In the early stage, the leaves looks like a flower. Question number 99. What was the goal about Adam before it sank to grief? First one, the innocence of the human couple. Second one, the perfection of Eden before God created man. Third one, the unblemished happiness of Adam and Eve. Fourth one, there was no hard labor. Here the right answer is option D. Option D is the right answer. First and third one are correct. Question number 100. In the poem Day is option A, the perfect form of down. Option B, the down which has lost its beauty. Option C, reality. Option D, Worthing described as after the down goes down. The right answer to this question is option B, the down which has lost its beauty. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.